All right, new project, oil change on a 2012 Ford Ecoline E250 cargo van, 4.6 liter. Think I got it all. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, so I ended up grabbing this at AutoZone. Man, I just noticed that it's not high mileage. Hopefully that's not a problem. It is at 131,000 miles. It says to use high mileage oil after 75,000 miles. So we'll see about that. So anyways, filter number right there. All right, so let's go down here and get to it. I feel a pan already. All right, first thing you need is a 1/2-inch wrench. So let's see here. I'm gonna go this way. So it's gonna come to me. And get that on there like so. And pull down. 21, 2, and 3. Wow, it's on here. Holy shit. These people snug this up. Oh, my neighbor's going by. Alright, I'm going to have to hit it with a hammer. Alright, let me see. I have myself here so I can see. Alright, I got to loose. Oh, that's right. That's right. I also want to mention that up top, the oil cap, I took it out. So that way there's air. That's, gravity is going to work with that. Oh man, I should have brought a rag. No rag. Alright, let's see. Cut this right here. Oh, yeah. That's always fun. I'm going to babysit this in case it overflows, which it shouldn't. You never know. Yeah, she's going down. Alright, oil is not too bad. I caught it just in time. This is the first time me doing the oil change on this vehicle. Alright, let me go ahead and get a rag. Alright, I'm back. I got a rag over here. How's she making out, guys? Looking pretty good. You know, I think I'm just going to leave her like this for a while. Well, actually, I just go ahead and take out the filter. I do have enough room here. Alright. Alright, hopefully you can see that. There goes my hat. I'll put that off to the side. Put that to the side. Put that to the side. All this to the side. I don't need that any longer. Now, take out the oil filter. Nice, easy oil filter removal. I've had some tough ones. Like that Honda Civic I had, the previous one. Man, that thing was located in hard to get spot, tell you that. I like how I can get to the starter real good on this car too. Oh shit. Slipped right out of my hand. Slippery son of a gun. Oh, there goes those gloves. Take that out. Usually I don't wear the gloves, but I was trying to be clean. That didn't work out. Alright, new filter. I did fill her up halfway, if those of you who are asking. Come on, I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. Oh, guess not. Alright. So what I do is I go snug till I can't go no more. Like right there, start slipping. And then I'll grab a rag that out of the way. I'll clean it, that way it's not oily, and then relocate it with my rag and give it a good twist. And then you're going to get a little more leverage here. I do one hand, not two, but until I can't go no longer. Right there. So, right there, she's all set. I'll clean it up. Make sure it's nice and clean down here. I like things clean. Alright. And then you're ready to pour the oil. Alright, so from here on, it's easy. Grab a funnel. Shout out to the funnel. And then place it like so. And just put your oil, right? Okay. Let's see if I can put that like that. Yes, it is Christmas time. And I do recycle. Alright. So here's 5 quarts first. Man, I gotta peel that with a knife. Alright, here we go. Try not to make a mess. Beautiful. Let me hold that up. So that's 5 quarts. And here is the 6th quart. As I mentioned earlier, I did put some of this here into the filter. So we are officially at 6 quarts of motor oil. Alright, that's it. That's that simple. What you're going to do now is start up your vehicle. Run it for like 5 seconds, shut it off, wait a little while, check your dipstick, see where it's at, clean it first, put it back in, check it, and then make sure that it's at where it's supposed to be. Don't forget to put your oil cap back on, call it a day. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Until the next one, take care. So I gotta show you guys everything. Look. Start her up. Count. 1, 2. That's about 5 seconds. Look at that. I let it run actually a little longer, just for you. Shut it off. And let's go check that dipstick. Okay. Let me go ahead and put you. See, the dipstick's way down there. So let me go ahead and put you right here, and I'll show you. So take out your dipstick, right? Clean it, like so. And now, good luck putting it in there. It's a little wobbly, my hands are shaky. Holy moly. Okay, got it in. Now, put it all the way in. And make sure it's seated, right? Take it out, and now you can check that level. And we're right up to the top. So this is a perfect job. And yeah, 3,000 miles to go. So another thing you might want to do is write down your mileage, add 3,000 miles to it, put it somewhere so you can remind yourself as it approaches those miles, it's time to do an oil change. By the way, if you like this kind of content, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. I would greatly appreciate it. Trying to grow the channel, right? That's what it's all about, right? Sharing is caring. And that's what I'm doing. So thank you for being here. Okay, with that being said, I'm out of here. On to the next project I go. Come on, get in there. There it is. Doesn't help having shaky hands. Yeah. And I didn't forget, I gotta put my cap back on. I only left that open because check your dipstick. If it was low for some strange reason, you add more. Put that over here for drips. And we're good. All right.